I'm Juanita, and I'm going to show you how to use this machine to collect the data from the shell and tube heat exchanger. So if you have another heat exchanger connected, just make sure everything's turned off, and you can simply remove the valves and disconnect them by either pulling the string up or down. And don't worry, because no water is going to come out of there. You can simply just lift the heat exchanger and put the other one on. And the system will automatically detect which heat exchanger you're working with. So you can see there's already shell and tube heat exchanger there. The screens are pretty similar to what you use with the plate and frame. So if you want to just change the configuration, you can use this button here. Yeah, to change it to co-current or counter-current. And then once you have that, you can move on to the other screen. So you can see that this shows you where to make your connections, right? So you can just take each, so T1 goes here. Oh, actually, you can see that this has some bubbles in there. So first you might want to connect, if that happens, you'll want to connect cold water first. So T4 and T6. You'll turn the heater, the chiller, and the pump for the cold water. And then you just go here to this little lock. And now you can lift the heat exchanger without the system changing anything, so that you can like move it back and forth to remove those bubbles. Once you've removed hopefully most of the bubbles, you can go back and just set up your hot water. And just turn on your pumps again for the hot water, for the cold water. You can use these to change the temperature you want your cold water in your hot water and your cold water to be. And just make sure you have this on auto so you can change the flow rates. Yeah, there we go. Yep, and you can just change the flow rate there. If you want to change the flow configuration again, just turn the pumps off, disconnect everything, and just go back to the other screen, change it here, and follow the arrows. Good luck.